Hello, everyone, and welcome to What the Fun English, the podcast where learning English is easy and fun.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Emma.
And this is What the Fun English.
So today's Black Friday.
That's right. We're going to learn how to talk about prices, discounts, and of course, shopping, all in simple English.
Yes, and this is really useful English for everyone.
Absolutely. We're talking about basic words and simple questions that you can use in any store.
You are going to sound like you've been shopping for years.
Okay, so let's start with the basics. What is Black Friday? It's a tradition, and it happens every November. Do you remember what big holiday we talked about yesterday?
I do. We talked about Thanksgiving, and Black Friday happens the day after Thanksgiving.
Exactly. It's always a Friday, and it sort of kicks off the Christmas shopping season.
It's a tradition in many places now, not just the U.S. But the most surprising thing for me is the time. When does all this shopping start?
This part is a little crazy. The stores open very, very early.
Like how early?
4 a.m., maybe 5 a.m. People wake up early just to go shopping.
Wow. So they really want to be the first person inside the store.
They do, and you might wonder why. Why wake up so early and wait outside in the cold?
Right. What's the goal?
Well, they're shopping for gifts. These are usually Christmas gifts.
Ah, okay. So people buy Christmas gifts on Black Friday because the stores have special savings. They're looking for a low price.
That's the key. A low price. And what kind of things do people want to buy? What are the most popular items?
From what I've seen, it's usually electronics. A new phone, a TV, and clothes. Lots of clothes. If you want a new winter coat, Black Friday is probably the day to buy it.
So to prepare for this big adventure, you need the right words. We need to learn the language of shopping and savings.
That's right. So now let's get into the most important part. The vocabulary. And remember, we'll say each word 2 times. Very slowly.
Okay, let's start with the big one. The special event when a price is lower, it's called a sale. Can you say that with us? Sale. We often say, an item is on sale.
Okay, so, on sale. And when the price is lower, the amount of money you save is called a discount.
A discount, yes. Everyone loves a discount. Let's say it, discount.
Discount. And if it's a really good one, you can say there is a big discount.
Perfect. Now, the money you pay for something is called the price.
Price. That's an easy one. Price.
Price. On Black Friday, you want to find a low price.
I want to buy this because the price is low.
And that brings us to our action word. The verb we use is to buy.
Buy. Like, I want to buy a new shirt. Buy.
Buy. A very important verb for Black Friday.
Okay, so now we know the money words. Let's talk about where we go.
The place you shop is a store. That's S-T-O-R-E, store.
Store. Like a clothes store or an electronics store.
Exactly. And sometimes you go to a really big building that has many, many stores inside. What do we call that?
We call that a mall. A shopping mall, let's say it. Mall.
Mall. I like to buy my clothes at the mall.
Now, on Black Friday, the store is, it's full of people, so we'd say the store is very busy.
Busy. That's a great word. It means there's a lot of activity. Busy.
Busy. And all of those people together, we call that a crowd.
A crowd. C-R-O-W-D. There's a big crowd of people. Crowd.
Crowd. You have to be ready for the crowd on Black Friday.
And after you choose your items, you have to wait to pay. You wait in a line.
A line. Some people also say queue. Let's practice line.
Line.
Line. The line can be very long.
Oh, yes. And if you have many items, you can't hold them all. You need shopping cart.
A shopping cart. That's the cart with wheels you push around the store.
Let's say that one. Shopping cart.
Shopping cart.
Okay, great. We have our words. Now let's learn what to say when we're actually in the store.
This is where we practice some simple questions. And remember the golden rule. Always be polite.
Yes. Always use please and thank you. It's so important.
So the number one question on Black Friday is probably about the cost. How do we ask that?
The key question is, how much is this? Let's all say that slowly.
How much is this?
Perfect. You just pick up an item and ask, how much is this?
And because it's Black Friday, you should also ask about the discount.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
The question for that is there a discount?
Let's try it. Is there a discount?
Right. And the store worker might say something like, yes, this item is on sale.
Or they might say, the price is very low today. Or, my favorite.
What's that?
Today we have big discounts.
Yes. That's what you want to hear. Okay, let's try a little mini role play. A small dialogue.
Sounds fun. Okay, you be the store worker and I'll be the customer.
You got it.
Okay, so I see some headphones I like. I walk up to you and say, excuse me, how much is this?
It is $150 today. It's a big discount.
Okay, great. Then I might ask, is this the final price?
Yes, that is the final price. A very low price today.
Wonderful. I want to buy it.
See? So simple. I want to buy it.
Now, what about another situation? What if I need a different size? This happens a lot with clothes.
Good one. Okay, let's switch. You're the store worker this time.
All right. I'm working in the store. I see you looking at a shirt. I say, can I help you?
Yes, please. Do you have this in a medium size?
Let me check for you. One moment, please.
Thank you.
Yes. We have it. And it's 50% off today. A big discount.
Fantastic. That's exactly how you ask. Simple and polite.
Now, one last situation. You're done shopping. You're ready to pay. But the store is so busy, there's a huge crowd.
Right, and I can't find where to go. So I would find a worker and ask, excuse me, where's the line?
And I would point and say, the line starts at the back of the store.
Okay, thank you so much. See, we always use please and thank you.
And honestly, waiting in that line with the crowd, that can be the longest part of the whole day.
It really can. But, you know, we've talked a lot about the crowds and how busy it is. What if someone doesn't like that? Is there another way?
That is a great question. For people who want to avoid the crowds, there is online shopping.
Ah, yes. Online shopping. So you use the internet instead of going to the physical store.
Exactly. You can just practice this simple sentence. I shop online.
It's much easier. You can stay in your warm house.
For sure. You can find all the low prices and big discounts without standing in a line at 4 a.m.
But you know, here's an interesting thing. Many people actually like the experience.
They like the crowds.
Yeah. For them, it's fun to be part of the big crowd. It's a tradition. It feels like an adventure. You know, it's more than just getting a low price.
That is a really interesting way to think about it. The excitement of finding the best discount first.
Exactly. Okay, let's take just a very short pause. We want you, our listener, to repeat some of these simple phrases with us. Say them out loud.
We're going to review the most important sentence patterns. First, to say what you want.
I want to buy. Let's hear you. I want to buy.
Good. Now, to describe the special price.
This is on sale. Your turn. This is on sale.
Or you could say,
the price is low today. One more time. The price is low today.
And to talk about the savings.
There is a discount. Say it with us. There is a discount.
And finally, to describe the store.
There are many people. Which is very true. On Black Friday, there are many people.
If you can use those sentences and the questions we practiced, you are speaking great English for shopping. You're doing so well.
Okay, so now we have a little challenge for you. We want you to use the phrase, I want to buy.
Think of one gift you'd like for Christmas. Or maybe an item that's on sale in a store near you.
And say this sentence out loud. Right now. I want to buy.
Great job. So, to recap, Black Friday is this huge shopping day right after Thanksgiving.
It's all about low prices and big discounts. The stores are busy, the lines are long, and it starts very, very early.
But let's leave you with that one final thought to think about. It's not just about saving money. People wait in the cold, in a huge crowd. Why do they love that experience so much?
Maybe it's the fun and the adventure of it all. Thank you so much for learning English with us today.
We hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you next time on What the Fun English.